This video is going to walk you through how you can prevent Filmora from freezing, hanging and shutting down unexpectedly. Without much ado, let's get started. Remember to subscribe to this channel. So log into open your Filmora software and then you hit on file depending on the versions that you are using, and then you click on preferences. So once you click on preferences, you are gonna see some options there, and this is where we are going to do the magic. So you come to performance, and once you click on performance, you have to make sure you click on this enable hardware acceleration for video rendering and playback, and also click on enable hardware acceleration for video decoding. And then for the background render, you can leave it for 5. Then you make sure you click on this automatically delete render file when a project is closed. And the one that is very most important is you have to check this. You have to check it automatically create projects when media resolution is higher than. Now here you have to, it can be here, but you make sure you click on this 1280 by 720, and once you do that you hit on OK, and it's going to say your GPU rendering and hardware solution setting has been updated, and then it will take effect after. So just press OK and then you close your Filmora and then you open it and enjoy.